Hey guys, it's Great Grace, and if you never heard of my channel, it's where we do games, DIYs, and epic stuff. Just kidding, it's experiments. We're doing an experiment. So you're gonna need expo, straw, a dry plate, and you're gonna need a squeeze bottle and parents' help. But I mean, we prefer a squeeze bottle because you're gonna spill it everywhere probably. No, X. But we're using a squeeze bottle and parents' help. So, yeah, you're gonna need your expo. You're gonna draw something simple. I'm drawing a heart and coloring it in. Because the other times that we didn't color it in, it didn't work. So you might want to try to color it in. So yeah. But yeah. So there it is. A heart. Okay. Now you're going to use your parents' help and squeeze it. And pour it slowly. Alright, there it is. We got the water on. Now you're going to take your straw. There it is. Whoa. So cool. Yeah, it's so cool, guys. You should really try it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys later. Bye!